Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you wanna see how I got those like mini cute coins on me, keep on watching. So guys, first of all, this is how his hair is looking at, and you have to comb. Yeah guys, combing, because this hair he haven't combed it for like 3 months, so I had a lot of work in combing it, and it was actually paining him. But without combing it, things are not going to work well for you. So yep. And thereafter, after combing it, you just apply little oil to it, which I'm applying it now. And also, yeah, I don't have a blow drying machine, so this is how I blow dry his hair. Okay, because I need to blow dry it, so I just use a brush and a hand dryer to do it. So if you want to see a tutorial on how you can do that step by step, let me know in the comment section and I'll drop the video. So guys, yeah, right now I'm just blow drying the hair because the hair is really stiff, for it to make it light. Yup, and the hair is looking like this, and I comb it. I keep on combing, and thereafter I go ahead using my hot comb, because the edges of his hair is not as long as the one in the center, so I just use my hot comb to like comb it for it to blend with it. And yeah, this is the Cantu curling cream and the Echo Joy that I'm going to be using. Cantu curling cream and Echo Gel. Okay, yeah guys, so that is the two ingredients at start. And yeah, apply the Cantu cream and brushing it. Thereafter, you can see my gel step by step the way I did it. Yeah, this curling hair has a lot of work, but the look worth it. So you have to do this continuously, exactly the way I'm doing it right now, little by little, continuously for the whole hair. So you just have to be patient when doing it. Yeah, let's go along, and I'm gonna show you people the next step. Yeah, the work continues. I keep on doing it, and I have to do some off camera because I can't film all, otherwise the video will be too long. Yeah, I'm done, and it's just remaining small portion on the front, which I keep on doing exactly the same process. You got, don't worry about those coiling contour cream that make it look whitish. It's gonna leave after you dry it and apply whatsoever you want to apply at the end of the video. So yeah, you just have to continue the same process. Take your time, make sure you do it well. And guys, in case you don't know what I'm doing, I just like take the echo gel. First of all, I use the contour cream to rub it. Then the echo gel that's back of my hand, I just take some part of it and take a little piece of the hair, rub it and roll it. I don't know if you understand. You just roll it as if you are doing dread, but you know, when you are doing dread, you use a comb. That's going to make it more tight, but this is just coils. You don't need a comb, because if you use a comb, it's going to look like dread, and you find it difficult to comb it, like when you want to take it out. So this is what I'm doing. Just use your hand the way you want to do your dread. Yep guys, this is how our hair is looking. Yeah, I just finished rolling it. See that coils? Is that coils for me? Yeah, it's looking nice guys. As you can see, it's looking nice. Then thereafter guys, you're going to take your hand dryer to dry it. When drying it, be patient, because you really need to dry it. Use your hand to rub it around so the scalp will dry very well. That's very, very important. Take notes.
Oh guys, yo. Oh guys. Please, I miss my peace. Peace,
And here we come with our extra virgin olive oil again. Yeah, we need it to make the hair look shining. So I'm just applying my extra virgin olive oil to the hair. then I'm like going to use a comb to lift the root out. I don't know. I'm going to use a comb to kind of lift the hair from the down up. That's make it look, you know, full kind of afro look, something, you know. It's just give it that look. I like the look it gave with the comb. That's why I'm doing it. Okay. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Is that coins for me? Is that coins for me? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a very big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Mwah! Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment for me in the comment section to tell me what you think about this hair. Okay guys, see you guys in my next video, and if you want to see more of coiling hair, let me know in the comment section below. I love you, bye.